What's going on, guys? This is Cameron here, also known as Two Flavors, and I want to thank all of you guys so much for helping me reach 100 subs. Last night my channel absolutely blew up. I went from 93 subs to 168, I think it is, to be exact. I'm pretty sure it's 168, but that's insane because when I posted the Mustang video a few days ago, I was only sitting at about 70 subs or so. And then my channel just skyrocketed and now I'm sitting at 168. I want to thank all of you guys for that. But anyways, this video is going to be pretty short because it's just going to be an exhaust review on my Mustang GT. As I said in my previous video, it is the MBRP catback exhaust. It is the race series with the black tips. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like real quick, and then I'll let you guys get the sound clips. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, help my channel keep growing. But until next time, peace out.